All right, hi guys. How's it going? So I'm gonna try this new tool right now to hopefully it's easier for you to see what I'm writing. And let me know what you think about this video once it's done. It's also probably gonna be one of our faster videos. All right, so at the top of our lesson, right up here, so that's pretty cool. You can see me right. We see find the value of each angle in the pair. So you have these divided up, these, and these. What I want you to do is just go ahead and type those in your calculator, all right? So take a calculator and type them in. Do it for all of them, all right? So when you're typing in, you should see that's 0.37. And both of them are 0.37. Interesting. Both of these are 0.64. Both of these are 0.60, so 0.6. And both of these are 0.707. Interesting. So what do you notice about each pair? Well, what do I notice? I'm going to try this text box. Hold on. Give me a second. So each pair, oh gosh. Each pair has the same decimal. Interesting. All right. But now let's look at those angles specifically. What is the relationship between the two angles? So sine of 22 and cosine of 68. 22 and 68. What's special about those two numbers? Go ahead, play around with your calculator for a little bit and answer the question that I'm about to input. So as you try to answer the question, see what the relationship is, you notice that if you type 22 plus 68 in to your calculator, you get 90. 40 and 50 is 90. 37 and 53 is 90. 45 and 45 is 90. So what's the relationship between the two? They both add to 90 degrees. Interesting. So what does this mean for us? What does this mean? Well, this means sine of any angle and cosine of any angle, if they are in the same triangle, add to 90. Okay, so this is a new fact we have, and let me get the pen to see how this is going to help us solve these problems. So over on your right, you see our first example, and we now know this fact if we have sine and cosine, same triangle, and they're set equal to each other, which you see here, that these two are equal. That means these two angles are going to add to 90 degrees. So I can create an equation, x minus 3 plus 12 equals 90. And now I can go ahead and solve for this. So simplify one side, I get x plus 9 equals 90. And I get x what? I'm going to get x equals 90 minus 9s. So I get x is 81. And I can solve for x. Now you can always check these by substituting the 81 back into x right here. And you would see that 81 minus 3 gives you 78. And 78 plus 12 gives you 90. So you know you're correct. All right, so the whole point of these questions, which if you get this question on a Regents is going to be really nice, is that you can set these two angles, these x minus 3 and 12 are angle measures. You can set them, add them up, set them equal to 90. All right, so let's try the next one. So next, we got sine of 3x, cosine 2x. They're equal. So what I'm going to do, add both of them up, set equal to 90, and then I solve. So 3x and 2x is 5x. So I'm going to do 90 divided by 5, and you should get x equals 18 for this problem. All right? So how can this get more difficult? Well, look, they just make it a little longer on our next one. Add all these up. Set it equal to 90. every single one of them. If sine of an angle equals cosine of an angle, there you go. They add up to 90. All right, so your task on this, I want you to submit number 2. You're going to get a little answer box. I want you to submit what x is for number 2, and then you go ahead, complete 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know it's a lot of examples, but this is good practice, all right? I'll see you tomorrow.